I have come across many times the opinion that your woman should be kept almost in the hedgehogs and she should always be under your firm, masculine control. Why? So that she feels your power over her, that she does not relax, and that you are always sure that she is completely honest with you and does not fuck you up anywhere. That includes cheating, flirting with others, and just some things she might be hiding from you. And you know, of course, there is a common grain of logic in it. If your woman elementary does not give you in the hands of his phone, it is immediately clear that the case smells bad. And do not make any fuss about personal boundaries and other things. If she has nothing to hide and you are really for her a significant man, then she will freely give you access to her phone and everything you say. But there are two major consequences to this whole total control approach. No matter how you rationalize your actions, she will still sense in it your fear of losing her or being deceived, and all of that can't be called confidence. All these actions, checking, following, and so on, are a very serious emotional investment in her, which leads to overestimating her importance and lowering yours, as well as you gradually losing yourself. So what I would like to suggest to you is this. Instead of focusing on her in that control, it is better to focus all your attention on yourself and on increasing your own value as a man. Only if a woman herself is afraid of losing you and really values you, she will try to do everything to make you trust her and make the relationship comfortable. And everything else is just that, vanity. Do you feel the difference in approach? In the first case, she's in the center and you're supposedly around her. In the second case, you come out in the first place and already she thinks how to keep the relationship with you. So, men, put in the center of your life is not Masha, Dasha, Natasha, and control over it, and you. Even being in a relationship, continue to do everything not to lose your value, but only to increase it. Develop physically, become stronger spiritually, grow financially, love yourself. Do not forget about your principles and interests. Do not abandon your social circle, but rather make it even wider. And believe me, it will be much more effective than just control her in fear of being deceived. Let her be more emotionally and mentally invested in you than you are in her. This will be at least some guarantee of her loyalty and devotion to you. Everyday Volume was on the line. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon.